Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong weekly love reading for March 23 to 29. Okay, so bilis ng panahon, no? Magtatapos na ang unang quarter ng 2026, our season na. Okay. Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aquarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba kung mag-resonate ang reading. At sa mga bago, please subscribe na kayo sa aking channel para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Okay, so bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from this deck that would be the overall energy of this reading. Okay. And, yan, i-detalye natin siya using the other one. So, first card, Death card. Okay. Second card, okay, Seven of Swords. Okay. It's just, don't worry, I'll interpret it. Huwag kayong mag-alala masyado sa Death card kasi nakakabit siya sa Seven of Swords. So, it's something would be helpful sa inyo. Okay, sige. So, Death card, there will be an ending. Okay? There will be an ending of a manipulation. So, I think currently yung situation mo with your person is yung person may pagka-toxic siya. Okay, and medyo kasi seven of cards, Seven of Swords is a card of deception, manipulation, and cheating. So, itong person mo na to, medyo disloyal siya, unfaithful, okay, and very manipulative, very toxic. So, this connection will soon end. Okay, you will be free from it. And that's what I see here. Magkakaroon ka na rin ng courage to let go of this person. Alisin mo siya sa life mo because you're choosing yourself na. That's what I see here sa energy na to. Okay, so yeah, and you know that you deserve better. Okay, so that's the energy. Pero tingnan natin yung detalye ng reading using this other deck. Okay, at habang binabalasa ko to again, I would like to remind everyone that this is a collective reading. So it may or may not resonate sa inyo. Pwedeng hindi pa nasagat yung energy ninyo kung hindi siya nag-resonate. Kaya abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dahil baka yun ay mag-resonate na. Or panoorin nyo rin yung mga past videos ko. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate kasi timeless naman talaga ang mga tarot and oracle readings. And best to book a personal and private reading sa akin. Nasa description box yung email address ko kasi mas magiging aligned and nakatune tayo sa energy ninyo. Diba? Versus sa collective reading. Okay, sige. Bubunot ako ng 8 cards and let's see why ito yung overall energy. Ngayon. So, first card. Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Second card. There, see? The Devil. Third card. Ten of Coins. Fourth card. King of Swords. Fifth card, see? Nag-double confirm lang yung ending. Sixth card, the Magician. Okay. Yeah. Kita ko na yung story. And okay. Seventh card, the Emperor. And last card, Six of Coins. bottom of the deck, Page of Wands. Okay, this is the energy that you don't see coming. Pero ito, sige, interpret natin. First, nag-double confirm yung Death card here. So it means there's really an ending and it's really time for you to let go of this. Okay? And lumabas si the Devil card, which is a very toxic person, someone who's very manipulative, full of negativity, and very, madali siyang matempt. Kaya nga, siya, prone to cheating, itong person na to. So first, ito Wheel of Fortune, it says here na this is a karmic relationship. What I see here is a karmic relationship. Na-meet mo to, nakarelasyon mo to, okay? Because gusto ni universe na matuto ka sa relasyon, okay? And itong relationship na to will help you grow. And dito mo malalaman ano yung mga boundaries mo talaga. Kasi I can see here na sa past or with this person, binaba mo talaga ng inalis mo yung mga boundaries mo talaga before, or yung mga non-negotiables mo, alam mo yun, parang inignore mo siya. Parang hinayaan mo siya na sige lang, okay lang, mabypass siya, or diba, nung person na to. Kahit alam mo na ayaw mo ng cheater, ayaw mo ng someone na very toxic, pero parang you still commit to a relationship with this person dahil mahal mo. Pero again, it's not helping you, it's not doing you a favor. Ito yung relationship na hindi mo talaga deserve. And inakala mo kasi, like here sa Ten of Coins, na siya na nga, ito yung tao na makakasama mo habang buhay. But no, alam mo rin dito na sa Ten of Coins that what you really want is something that is stable. Tapos nakatapat siya ngayon kay Emperor, which is a card of a major arcana na pointing to being stable, diba? And being practical sa relationship. So, yun. So, and here, si King of Swords then is you want someone who's honest, mature, and loyal. And this is what I'm seeing here, you're manifesting, lumabas si the Magician, na ito talagang gusto mong tao sa life mo. That's why now you will end. I see here that ikaw yung mag-i-end nung relationship. Ikaw yung mag-i-end na nitong connection na full of toxicity, manipulation, and diba? Chaos. Very chaotic siya. And you know that you have what you need for it to shift to something. You're manifesting this and you know you have what it takes. Alam mo rin yung mga na meron ka, you possess the traits, qualities for you to be able to find this person and materialize what you're manifesting at umalis na dito sa toxic relationship. And here, I can see here naman na ikaw ay very responsible when it comes to your needs and what you want now in life. Parang nag-shift siya. Okay? Before nga parang hinayaan mo lang yung mga boundaries mo na hindi siya masagasaan siya. Okay, but now, mas i-up mo na nga yung boundaries mo, mas magiging firm ka na when it comes to boundaries. And as seen here by the Six of Coins, that you will be grateful na ginawa mo yun, na gagawin mo yun. Kasi what you don't see coming is the Page of Wands, which is a fresh start, a new beginning, and something really, you can see here, very happy. Okay, na once na makawala ka na dito sa very manipulative person na to. Okay, so sana nakatulong at nag-resonate. Before I end, I will pull one card from this oracle deck that will be the advice to you by the universe. Okay? So, tingnan natin ibang mensahe ng universe and advice niya sa'yo. What to do here sa relationship o sa connection ito. Okay. So, advice is dignity. See? Tama. Magkaroon ka ng dignidad. Diba? Hindi na tama. Ito yung sinasabi ni universe din sa'yo is, yeah, you must have the dignity. Restore it. Diba? Before kasi, yun nga, nawala siya. But now, the universe is telling you to restore it. You have to leave. Okay? And kung alam mo talaga na ito ay hindi mo na-deserve at hindi na nagbibigay sa'yo at alam mong hindi na to tama, di ba? Magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob to get out of it and restore your dignity. Okay, so sana nakatulong tong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat!